Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to connect the WinCC Explorer SCADA with PLC S7-200 by using the Step 7 MicroWin version 4 SP9 and PCSS S7 version 1.0 and WinCC Explorer Professional. And I will use the PLC S7-200 CPU 222CN. It is the small PLC and communication with the PPI cable. Okay. And the purpose is we need to start and stop the fan 1 and fan 2, and we can set point and feedback the value from the PLC to show on the SCADA. Okay, so it's very basic. If we see like this, so we can communication between PLC and the WinCC Explorer. Okay, so to know about how to do that, let me show on the create the project, and then we will go slowly for easy to understand. Okay, so the first one, we need to create the project on the Step 7 MicroWin version 4 SP9, and then we will connect with the S7 PCSS version 1.0. After that, we will download the project to the PLC, and then we can online with the PCSS to check the quality of text, good or bad. Yes, and then we need to create the project of WinCC Explorer and create the OPC connection. Okay, after that we need to create the screen, yes, to control the PLC from the SCADA. Okay, so let's go to our software. I will explain more when we go step by step about how to create the project and how to create the OPC tag on the PCSS. Okay, so let's go together with me. Okay, in the previous video, we already learned about how to connect the PLC S7-200 Smart with the WinCC Explorer. Yes, and then we use 4 software. The first one is Step 7 MicroWin Smart. Second one is PCSS for S7 Smart. The third one is Cape Server configuration. And the fourth is SIMATIC WinCC Explorer Professional. Okay, but for this video, I will use only 3 software. This one not used. Yes, so I will use Step 7 MicroWin version 4 SP9. The second one is S7 PCSS version 1.0. Yes, so this one not used. We use only with the PLC S7-200 Smart. Yes, so I will use these 3 software. So basically we can go to create the project on the Step 7 MicroWin. So I will create the new folder. Yes, so create the new folder, Connect WinCC Explorer to PLC S7-200. Okay, so let's double click on the Step 7 MicroWin version 4 SP9, and we need to check the communication between our PLC and software, right? So I will connect the PPI cable that connected from PLC to my PC. So I will connect. Okay, then I will choose the visual machine, because right now I use visual machine. And next step, we need to check the set PC PG interface. Okay, and then let's go to PC PPI cable. Yes, and then go to property and then choose the USB. Yes, make sure we use USB. And if everyone use the COM port of RS232, we can also connect with the COM port. Yes, but for me I use USB. And then okay, and then go here, click here to check the communication. So double click to check the communication between PLC with the PC. Okay, right now it detects one PLC CPU 222CN, yes, version 2.01, and for the address is 2, and for the baud rate is 9.6 kilobyte per second. Yes, so that's okay for communication. And then we will create the sample project, sample start and stop the fan that I already show here on slide. We have two fans. The first one is fan 1 and the second one is fan 2. And we have stop fan 1, start fan 1, stop fan 2, start fan 2. Yes. Okay. So I will go to push button stop fan 1. So I will start from M0.0. Yes. And start, I will use M0.1. Yes. And for the output, I will use Q0.1. Sorry, Q0.0. And I will hold the signal. Okay, hold the signal by Q0.0. Okay. And we need to define the symbol, yes, of M0.0, M0.1 on Q0.0. Yes. So example, this one I will define the symbol as stop fan 1, and this one start fan 1, and this one fan 1. And if we compile, it will automatically assign the symbol that we already put. Okay. So here is the fan 1. For fan 2, we can also create this one. We can command start and stop fan 1 from WinCC Explorer. Yes, and this one we can copy fan 2. Okay, and I will use NC NO output and hold the signal. Yes. Okay, so here I will use M0.2, and this one I will use M0.3, and one more Q0.1, and hold by Q0.1. Okay, so we can define the symbol as stop fan 2, start fan 2, and this one fan 2, and we can compile the project, will automatically generate, right? So I will add until fan 3, yes, fan 3, so we can copy one more for fan 3. Okay, fan 3, so I will use NC, NO, quite, and one more for NO for hold the signal. So this one I will assign as M0.4, M0.5, and Q0.2, and this one Q0.2. Okay, and we can remark the symbol stop fan 3, start fan 3, and this one fan 3. Okay, and we can compile. Yes, good, there is no error, right? Then we have one more for set value and feedback the value, right? So we can also use the analog. Then we can use set point and feedback value. So I will move. Basically we can use SM0.0 always on, yes, and then I will move. Example, I will move real, yes. For move real we can use MD10 to MD14, yes, example. And this one we can define the symbol name also. Example, set value 1, and feedback value 1. And we can also use the formula to calculate also, yes. Example, I use set value 1. Okay, let me delete first. We can use like this. We can use plotting mathematics. Example, add real, yes. So we D10 MD10 multiply, sorry, add by MD14, and then the result is MD18, yes. And then here we can result add, yes. So when set value 1, this one, edit the symbol. I will go to correct here, should be go to table. I will use this one for set value 2. Yes, and then we can go to compile, set value 2, yes, Then this is the result. Yes. So we have fan 1, fan 2 and fan 3 for digital control, and we have analog control also for set point 1, value 1 and value 2. Add and then we will got the result. Okay. So we can save the project. And then save to put the folder that we already created here. So step 7 project. Okay. And then I will download. Yes, I will download to the PLC. Download this project to the PLC. But we need to change the language, because if we download like this, okay, I will show it will error because we use CN. Yes, CN CPU, so we need to change the language to Chinese or China. Yes, so if I download like this, it will error. We cannot download, right? Here, error. Then I will save the project and then go to change the language by go to Tool, Option, and then go to General and choose the Chinese language. Okay, so click OK and then yes to save, and then we need to open project again to download. Okay. Okay, it will come like this because we already changed the language. Yes, so I will try to check the communication. And then try to download to the PLC again. It will download successful, yes. And we can also start the PLC and we can online. Yes, can online. Okay, so good. And we need to open this project or import this project to the PC access, right? Okay, so I will close first and I will change the language to English. Yes, English, this one is English. Okay, save. And if we try to open again, we can online. Okay, we can online, but we cannot download. If we would like to download, we need to change the language to Chinese again. Okay, so this is very important. If we need to download the project to CN CPU, we need to change from English to Chinese. Okay, and then I will turn off this one first, and then I will open the PC access. Actually, we must run as administrator to prevent the security. Yes, and then I need to import the project from this project, yes, that we already saved here, to the PCSS. Okay, so to do that, let's go to File, Import Symbol, and then go to the folder and this project that we already saved and download to the PLC, and then open. We will got like this. Yes, the symbol that we already defined. And if we try to online like this, yes, let me show. If we try to online like this, okay, I will online, it will error, right? Because we not yet set the PGPT interface of this OPC. Yes. So to do that, let's go to here, go to PGPC interface, and then choose the connection. Yes, choose the connection here. PC PPI cable dot PPI dot 1 property. Make sure we select USB. Yes, click OK to confirm, and then I will save, yes, the project, and then keep to folder that we already create here. So this one, PC access project. Yes. Okay. Now the project was saved to the folder, and then we can try to online again. Okay. It's so like this. It means that we can connect it from the PC access to the PLC, right? Let's see here. The quality is good. Yes. Good for all text that we already created. Yes. So that's all for create the PC access project, and we can go to online. This one. Yes, we can also online. So okay, that's okay. Then we can go to create the WinCC project. Yes, WinCC Explorer project. So let's open the WinCC project. I will create the new project. Choose the single user project, and then I will choose Connect with PLC S7-200, and then browse to find the folder that we already created on desktop. Yes, this folder. Click OK to confirm. Click create the project. So wait a moment for create the project. So next step, we will create the tag management. So let's go to right click and then open the tag management. And then we need to create the connection, right? So let's go to right click on tag management and then add the new driver. And then we will choose OPC connection. So click OPC. And then we will got like this. And we need to right click on OPC group and go to system parameters, and then it will search the OPC connection automatically. Yes. So wait a moment for searching the OPC server. So take time a little bit for search the OPC server connection. Okay. So right now it finished searching, and then we can go to local. And then go to S7-200.opc server. Yes, here. And then choose browse server. And then check box on for read access, write access. And then go to next. And go here. MicroWin step 7 project. It is the project name of this one. Yes. of this one. Let's see here, step 7 project. Yes, and then we can go here, user 1, this one. We have this text that we already created, right? So this text here, yes, we already created and import to the PCSS project, and the quality is good. Then we can select all like this, and then add item, yes, to confirm, and we need to put the name. Yes, I will use this name to default, and then click here and click finish. Okay, so right now the connection is already added. Yes, so I can go here, close, exit, and then let's check here. We will got the text. Yes, our text that we already created. Okay, so let's go to create the screen. Right now the text we already created. So let's go to WinCC and then go to graphic design to design the screen here like this. So right click, I will create the new picture. So I will rename this one to be screen 1. Screen 1 operation. Yes. And then let's right click and then go to open the pictures. So wait a moment for open the graphic designer. So it's very basic. If we can create like this, we can also create the another option that we want to connect with the WinCC Explorer. Yeah, it is SCADA operation. Then we can go to set up the screen that we want. Yes, the screen size that we want. Example, I will create only 600 or 1000. Sorry, 1200. Okay, and for the height I will set only 500. Yes, like this. We will got 100 and 1200. Yes, and height is 500. And I need to change the background of the screen. So basically, if we put like this, we try to click another color, we cannot change, right? So don't forget, go to effects and then choose this one with no, so we can change the color of screen that we want. Okay, so I will choose the color that I like, this one. Yes, I like this color for my background. And then we can insert the motor fan or create the button. Yes, push button. I will find the push button here. Okay, so example, start or stop fan 1. Then we can change the background. Yes, the same as the background of the screen. If we try to change the color, we cannot change, right? Cannot change. So don't forget, go to effects and then choose no, so we can change the color and change the size that we want. Okay, so example, stop fan 1. pull button for stop fan 1, and we can adjust by push on keyboard. Click on keyboard shift and arrow key, so we can rotate or adjust the position of the button or of the objects. And then I will duplicate, yes, for start fan 1. So start fan 1. Okay, and I will change the color to be blue for start fan 1. And then let's go to insert the fan 1. Yes, so I will go to insert the picture. Yeah, here Siemens HMI symbol library. So I will choose fan 1. Yes, so we can change many style that we want. Yes, have another style of model that we want, so I will use this style. And then I will put the name of the fan. So I will go to the static text and write fan 1. Okay, then I will go to change the option to be central and central. Yes, and don't forget change this one to no. Okay, like this. And I need to use the yellow color. Yes, okay, fan 1. Then I need the cycle to show the status when we start fan 1. So don't forget, go to effects, change this one to no, and change this one to this color, red color. Yes, and then we can copy for fan 2 and fan 3. Yes, duplicate. Fan 2. Yes, okay, I will rename this one to fan 2. Yes, and this one to stop fan 2. This one to stop fan, start fan 2, sorry. And I need to adjust the geometry more, 1500. Yes, and then I can copy for fan number 3. Yes, okay, we can adjust fan number 3. And then we can rename this one to fan 3. This one stop fan 3. We can use another style that we want, so this is just basic. And then we have add function, right? Value 1 add value 2 equal result, right? So I will put the IO file here. So value 1, it is the input, right? Input we can click and then we can change. If we choose output, we cannot click and change, right? So I will use OPC tag and then use set value 1, change to upon change, and we can adjust the size. Yes, example, I adjust to 25, and the font I will use Tacoma. Yes, I like Tacoma. And color I will use green. And for the background, I will change this one to be no. And then I will change the font size to be 35 and use center, yes. Okay, so this one is value 1. And for value 2, we can duplicate. We can also change, yes, the font style. Example, I will change to bold. Yes. Okay, and then we can change this text to be go to property and change this text to be set value 2. Yes. And then we can copy for the result. So this one we can adjust like this. Okay. Can adjust like this, and then we can put. So this one, it is the output, right? So input output, I will use output. And then use the upon change. And this one we can browse the text also. So it is the result add, right? Okay. Analog. Okay. And then we can configure the start stop button for fan 1, fan 2 and fan 3. Okay. So the first one is fan 1. I will go to events, go to mouse, go to bridge, and then choose direct connection. Change this one to 1. Choose the text. Yes. Go to OPC. Go to connection S7-200 OPC server. And then choose the stop fan 1. Yes. And we can copy. And then OK. And one more for release the function. Then I will paste and then click OK. And for the start button, we can go to bridge, connection set to 1. Choose the connection to be start fan 1. Click OK. When release, we can go to 1. Take start fan 1. Yes. Okay. And for the condition of fan 1, we can go to property, go to color, and change this color to be dynamic dialog, and choose boolean, and choose the text that we want to show. Yes. So I will choose fan 1 and change this color. When true, I will set to green, and when false, I will set to red. Okay. Oh, don't forget change this one to be upon change. Yes. Okay. For file number 2, we can also configure. Yes. Go to events. Please. Direct connection set to 1. Take stop fan 2. Copy. Okay. Release. Set to 0. Paste. Okay. And start. Go to event. Mouse. Press 1. Choose the text. Start fan 2. And we can copy and go to release. Go to 0. Choose the text and then paste the text name. And for the status, we can go to property, go to color, go to dynamic dialog, choose the text, so fan 2, choose the boolean, change this one to green, and change this one to upon change. Okay. Save one more time, and then go to stop fan 3, go to events, go to press left, constant 1, choose the text. It is the stop, right? So I will choose stop fan 3, and then we can copy. Okay. Edit to 0. Paste. Okay. To confirm. And for the start, we can also the same procedure. Choose the start fan 3. Yes. And we can copy and release. Can go to 0. Take paste, and for the animation, go to property, color, go to dynamic dialog, go to fan 3, boolean, change this one to green, and go to text, change this one to upon change. So that's okay, that's all. Then we can go to test with me together. So we can go to before test, let's go to property, and then go to property again, go to graphic runtime, and choose the screen that we would like to run when the WinCC Explorer activated. Okay, so I will do title, border, maximize, minimize, full screen, I know it, scroll bar, status bar, and adapt feature. Okay. Okay, one more time, and then we can activate the project. Okay, and then test together. So take time a little bit for activating the project. Wait a moment more. Not yet finished. Okay, so right now finished. So we can test together. Okay, I will adjust this one a little bit. Okay, this one a little bit more. Okay, like this. So let's go to model 1. Then I will push start model 1. Okay, model 1 is running, and the PLC is show the signal also. Model 2. Okay, start. Let's see, the output is turned on, and motor 3 start. Okay, turn on. And then for the analog signal, we can also test. Right now it's 0, right? So I will try to 10. Oh, this one. None, right? 10.0, 10.0. Oh, we need to put the real value. Okay, let's go to correct this one little bit. IO. Go to customize configuration dialog. I will use IO file. So this one should be okay. Let's test again. I will change to IO file. Then test again. Okay, we cannot write, right? So if we try to set point, example 2.5 something, it cannot get the data from the WinCC, right? Yes. So to clear and solve the problem, let's go to C. Yes. The data type that we assign here, it doesn't correct, right? We must assign to be real value. Okay. So I will outline first, and then I will change to real. This one change to real. So be careful if the data type is not correct. So we cannot do something. Yes. And then if we would like to save here, we cannot save, right? Because the server is running. So I will close first. And then I will change this one to be floating point. Yes. 32 bits. Okay. Okay, for the address is okay. And then we can close it, and then we can deactivate the server, deactivate the WinCC Explorer. And then let's go to PC access, and then we can save. Yes. And we can run the server again. Okay. So it come to real value. Yes. And then we can go to WinCC again, and then activate again. Okay, wait a moment for activate. Okay, and then we can try again. I can change the screen to be like this format, right? Okay, I will go to this format. It is input, right? Okay, and then I can copy from this format to here. Or we can change like this: 999.9, 999.9, 999.9. Yes. And then we can save the screen and then try to run the screen again and test again. Okay, so basically I will change the data. Okay, 36, example 12. Okay, 12 plus 36 equal 48. Okay, that's correct. 100. Okay, 112, 100 equal 200, right? So that's correct. So if we use the analog or the real signal or real data type, please be careful about the data type. We need to assign to be correct the data type, otherwise the value is not correct. Okay, and one more, for tape management we can also check. Yes, after import from the OPC server. Okay, so I will review again, start and stop, and then let's see the PLC status together. Okay, so example this one I will put value 1, right? Example value 1. Yes, so value 1. I will change the size. Yes, okay, and change the alignment. Central. Yes, and for this one is value 2, right? So we can duplicate for value 2. Yes, we can change this one to value 2, and this one is the result, right? So result, and we can alignment. Okay, this one we can alignment also. Okay, so save the screen and then run the screen again, and we will let review and start and see the status on PLC together. So right now fan 1, fan 2, fan 3 and value has shown on the screen, right? So I will show the status, the actual status on the PLC. Yes. Okay, so right now the output of PLC is turned on 3 bits, Q0.0, Q0.1 and Q0.2. Okay, so if I stop the fan 1, okay, fan 1 stop, fan 2 stop, fan 3 stop, fan 1 why not stop? Oh, because this one is not reset, right? So let's check this one a little bit. So let's go to screen again and let's see the start, events, mount. This one release, right? Release, this one should be 0, okay? And then save again and then run the screen again. And then we can test again. Okay, so I will stop fan 1 again. Okay. Okay, fan 1 was stopped. And then I will start again. Start fan 2. Start fan 3. Yes. Stop fan 3. Okay. So it worked perfectly. Change this one to 500. It equals 600, right? So this is just basic about how to link the WinCC Explorer SCADA to the PLC S7-200 by using the step 7 MicroWin and PC access, yeah, S7 PC access software by using the WinCC, yes, to design the screen of SCADA to control the PLC. Okay, so I hope everyone will understand because I go slowly for create the project and also create the screen. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.